stupid thing. Can you? You couldn't bar it with the intake grate because you stick it down inside then try and.
So if it comes in this way then.
Mac, hold my thing in and have a quick look, see what's going on. Got him. Where's it by?
Two. One there and one there.
Done it properly, under the fucking.
Give me an intake grate.
What do you want?
Intake grate.
Yeah, see if you can bar it that way, that's it. I didn't want to do that, I said that was just sleep. Go on, fuck it.
You've got no fucking choice.
Go on, guy.
Oh, it fucking moved as well, didn't it? Yeah. Get a little pebble now, if I could use a little stone, right?
Put it underneath and then fucking bar it.
Yeah.
Get that one. Huh? Get that one.
Should come out there.
Oh, we've done my chest.
Smaller, guy. Smaller.
Oh, I can't go smaller. No?
Yeah, small.
Fuck.
Yeah, I don't know. No, I see a bit smaller.
Hold that. Good there. They all feel big ones down here.
Like a big one, don't you, boy?
Yeah. What have you got?
Fucking shriveled up, boy. What?
Oh!
Fuck it.
Come on, guy, get one.
I can't get one. Jump down, Chris, get one.
Fucking cold on there, son.
I just went down my foot. Fuck.
Fucking hell.
Mark, come on, get a fucking pebble for us. We're all fucking grown men, no one wants to go in the water.
You got one. Come on. Oh, that will do it. Fuck. Trouble is, oh shit, it gets deeper in places.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Fuck, it's all over the shop. Fuck. Come on, Chris, get one.
Fucking stand by here.
Come on, right.
You'll bring on next side, don't you, am I?
I know.
Where's the other one stuck to? Oh, there. Fuck. I didn't see him.
Woo!
Oh, fuck.
I'm fucking in now, fuck it.
Is it worth trying to stick it in there? Trying to get that in there?
That's it, perfect one. Yeah, check out in it.
That's it. That's it. Leave that hand on, eh?
Where's your two?
Got one more to go.
Oh, you can't, it's not going.
No? Big on this guy. No?
What do you do? It should just lift it out, shouldn't it?
Yes.
No, we need that stone. You threw the fucking stone out.
Oh, fuck no. Oh, there's another one now. To get that out.
Oh, damn it. I can't see what it is. Oh, that one. Oh my god, oh, fucking hell to get out, isn't it?
Look how deep it's gone over there now. It's because the water's coming in.
Right, we need to go from your way with that. You need to. Oh, fuck.
Anthony, pull me over that way.
Huh?
Pull his ski that way.
Wait there, no, we need to go. Yeah. You and Chris, can you buy it from that way?
You'll flip it here.
No. What's going that way?
Yeah, but try and
fucking floor.
try and bar that now that way.
Try and take it in a bit. Take it in, it's too deep.
Let's go in. Oh shit.
Pull it in, mate.
Whoa, fuck.
Pull it back.
Oh shit, where's the grate?
Grate's gone. He's gone.
Get deep by here, boys. Get back up there.
The fuck's
Matt,
going
come
on
over
here?
this way.
Richard! What's going on?
Where'd these come from?
Oh, Matt! I'll buy it off you as it is, don't worry. If it's cheap.
We need to bar that one.
It needs to come up this way, doesn't it?
Yeah, it needs to come out.
Can you do it from that way? Stick that in there and try and just nip it that way. Yeah, that's it.
Come on, give that. Go on. Yeah.
You got him.
It's loose.
Yes, come on.
Oh, yes. Mac,
Yes.
you need to come back over.
I'm 61 years of age. I know.
Done it.
You may as well stick me on your payroll.
He's a fucking nightmare.
Boys, don't buy a jet ski. Lost my car keys last week on my phone. Don't buy a jet ski.
And his glasses a week before that.
This will cost you a fortune.
Yeah, it's no damage to the thing, is there?
Where's the fuck?
Over there, he got it.
Where's the nuts?
He got him in there.
What, you got him in the fucking...
In the side of my ski.
Oh, for fuck's sake, I thought you had him in his accent. Come on, man.
Come on, Matt, you've got to make a bit of an effort here.
I think he's lost them.
No, you haven't, they're on the side. You're riding home with no intake, great. He's not getting anywhere. Where's Richard? Get Richard.
Richard! Someone always wants to get out. Do you like this on the shooting as well?
Rich! Oh, you could try and grab him and pull him over this way.
Have you got it up? Yes, fucking come on!
Come on, he's
fucking...
fucking...
Richard, go on, help him!
Get him over here!
How'd you get a fucking license? You can't swim. I'm more worried with the hackers with the bumps.
In the side of my ski, in the wedge, in the footwell.
You shot
Yeah.
it in there.
Yeah, I put him in there.